So coming to SQL. So in the SQL, we'll go with database foundations. So how many of you know already SQL? Like if you are having a CSE background, you will definitely know about RDBMS or a DBMS, database management systems. It may be RDBMS or PBMS. It's a relational database or a normal database. So this SQL is also an essential for the AI systems because the data should be stored here. So, so data is the fuel for AI systems. So not only AI systems, coming future, data is the next fuel because fuel is very costly. So as data as well. So data is can be stored in SQL, where you can find out that SQL is nothing but structured query language, where that is stored in tabulary format. Like we will have the columns, we will have the rows, we will have the each row will have all the different columns what we have had. It might have the null values as well. So this is what SQL, like structured query language, works. But unstructured query language, let's say JSON is one of the example. So JSON is nothing but JavaScript object notation. So where we will work with JSON. So that JSON is in a different structure. It doesn't have the rows. It doesn't have the columns. It only have the key value page. So that is unstructured data, and this is structured data. So coming to the database, what we will learn from the database. So you have to first understand what is the SQL syntaxes, and using those syntaxes, how you are getting the data and all. And then we'll go with basic queries. So the queries are nothing but select statement, where clause, order by. So these are the basic queries. This order by is also you can use it in the pandas. In the pandas also you can do the same, order by, group by. So you can take some group of group of data sets, like group from the data set you can find out a group. Let's say, for example, if you have the city as Hyderabad, so you can group it by Hyderabad. So entire Hyderabad will have one group in that particular data set what you have collected. And then you can go with some aggregate functions like count, sum, average, group by. So these are also aggregate functions. And then you can use joins, and then you can use subqueries. So these are the things where we can teach you on the SQL level. So where you have to understand. But also we have stored procedures, but that is not essential for here, because Python doesn't handle with the stored procedures, where other programming languages, for example, if you are a developer, if you are developing something, if you are working with different type of technologies like .NET, Java, even Python also in advanced level, the stored procedures will come. So that is also one of the thing where in SQL we can just get a brief on it. So how the stored procedure works and all. So these are the things from the SQL module. So where we can understand the database foundation to the advanced techniques.